The clockwork heart of innovation beats strung, driving gears and forging destiny. A mechanical marvel awakens, its metallic fingers poised for creation. Deep beneath the city, the engine of progress roars to life. Whispers of a lost technology echo through forgotten halls. The articulated hand demonstrates its delicate precision, crafting a miniature masterpiece. A shadowy figure lurks in the alleyways, seeking to steal the secrets of the articulated hand. A daring escape through the city's rooftops, pursued by relentless clockwork guardians. The articulated hand performs a delicate surgery, saving a life with its incredible precision. A hidden chamber is revealed, containing the secrets of the articulated hand's creation. A high-stakes poker game in a smoky backroom, where fortunes are won and lost. The articulated hand composes a beautiful melody on a grand piano, showcasing its artistic abilities. A dramatic confrontation in a clock tower, where secrets are revealed and destinies are decided. A thrilling airship chase through the clouds, where fortunes are decided. A final showdown in the heart of the city, where the fate of the articulated hand is decided. The articulated hand uses its strength to defend itself. The city celebrates the articulated hand as a symbol of innovation and hope.